Hi everyone, what can you do with this plastic container? We will show you an interesting idea of this plastic container. First, prepare soft cotton. Prepare WD40. Then spray it onto the cotton part in the plastic container. Close the plastic container again. Then take your bag. Then insert the plastic container filled with cotton. You can take it with you when you are in the forest or mountains. Prepare charcoal, or you can find lots of firewood in the forest. Take a cotton swab that has been sprayed with WD40. You no longer need to worry about lighting a fire in the middle of a forest or mountain. Thank you for watching. Good luck.